Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert Roman number in Word from specific page. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word. So once you open Word, so here you can see that I am on the first page. So let me add another page. So here you can see that I am on the second page. So once you are here, you simply need to go onto the insert, and here you can see page number. Click here, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on format page numbers, and number from you simply need to click here, and here you can see the Roman numbers. So you simply need to select from here like this, and here you can see continue from previous section. So I want to start from this. After that, you simply need to add it here like this, and it will be added on to the next page as well. So this is the process by which you can insert Roman number in Word from specific page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.